Welcome back. Hi YouTube. Today we're gonna be assembling the block on the 4A. So everything for the past few weeks, everything was being bought and the engine bay was being cleaned. So this is some of the parts. These are some of the parts. So we're gonna be assembling these and what else? Yeah, today just gonna be assembling the bottom part. So we have the specific torque setting right here for the 4A, the injection one to be accurate. We have it here, so you're gonna use it, and then we're gonna torque everything to spec, and then possibly by next week, by the 21st, 20th, we'll be done assembling everything, and the engine will be back in the engine bay. Like, let me flip you guys. So here's everything. Everything has been cleaned, machined, just being ready for assembly. So here's the oil pan. So here's the engine.
Let me ask you a question, Ted. Do you see anything wrong here? No. We got no way! Do it! No! Do it! No! Do it! No! That's not...
Wait, this is the after. I'm still gonna clean it again because this was just the first wash. So I'm gonna put a picture on how this engine bay looked at the beginning. So yeah, here's the card. All that was in the engine bay, all that dirt was in the engine bay, was everywhere, like, bro. So yeah, that's it. Here's the toolbox, the other parts they are there, and then today we're just gonna do this, and then the we still have to do sound on this car. We have to do like wiring. So yeah, here's the head, here's the top, here's the top. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna paint this block first though. I'm gonna paint it black because this one is dirty already. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, or I'm not gonna print it off screen and then come back again. I'll just decide right now. So yeah, let's do it. Let's get ready for today. So right now I'm just gonna move that block to here so I can prep it for paint and start working on it. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse for the time being. So yes, I know I don't have the proper tape for masking, but this will have to do for now.
So I am going to cover up the places I don't want them to be sprayed on. So I'm going to cover the top and cut the excess of the tape. I'm only going to cover up 3 sides, which is the front of the engine, the top of the engine, and the back of the engine. So I'm not going to cover up the bottom because it's not going to be sprayed on, or it's all going to be oversprayed on.
So now I'm done masking the block. So I'm gonna paint this side. And then I'm gonna come this side and paint this side, and then flip it around and then paint the other side. So yeah, you're just gonna paint the sides, and then you masking that so that it doesn't contaminate inside. So let me get to painting. even though nobody's gonna see this, but I just love my work. I just love doing my work, so I'm just gonna paint it for peace of mind. That's pretty cool. So that's the first coat. So I'm gonna leave it for a bit. While leaving it, I'm gonna paint the other side. So I'm just gonna paint this side. I'm just gonna paint over. I'm just going to paint over this. What's this? Where's the because I can't remove this. I want to paint it right.
Please hope the channel to grow and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, I am talking to you right now because I've seen that most of you guys who are watching my videos haven't subscribed yet, so please like and subscribe.
2,000 years later.
So we're gonna come back later on. So for now, let's leave it to dry up for a few, like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. So as this warms up, I'm gonna focus there on the bearings. I'm just gonna set everything up, clean everything. Then we're gonna come back here later on. So it's been like over like 30 minutes already. So this is how the block looks right now. So this is how the block looks right now. It's clean painted. It's clean. And the side, I almost fell down. Like, it's clean. This is how the block is supposed to be. Without no dirt, like one color, without oil. This is how the block should be. So right now I'm just gonna rip this off. I'm just gonna take it off, like, yep. That's inside. That's what she said. So I'm gonna we done this one, so let me just put it this way so that we can rip this one off. So this one. Now the block looks one color, nice this way, much nicer this way. So I'm gonna put it here right now, and then I'm gonna start assembling it. So yeah. This is why I need a table. This is actually why I need a table. Alright. So you're gonna start off assembling the main bearings. The main bearings. Start off with them. So bearings. So you have to assemble them dry. Don't put anything under the. Don't put anything under them. Just assemble them dry. Just make sure your surface is clean and yeah. So there are ones with holes like these ones. Then there are ones without holes like these. Like these. These are for the caps. Then these are for the journals. For the main seals, so I'm just gonna put them in. I'm just gonna use this mallet to assist so that it removes the other stuff, so the other residue that's still inside. And for the last one, then we're done here. I think you guys are too far. I'm just gonna take this here and then a bit down. Take this camera bit down. Maybe something like this. Or something like this. Just putting the loop so that the crank doesn't go in tight. The crank doesn't go in tight. So, yep. So now for the third bearings. So these ones help the crank from moving side to side like this. They reduce when you're depressing the clutch. So
So the required clearance between the block and the crank washers are from 0.08 to 0.20. So I started with 0.15, and so the factory torque spec is about 60 newtons. So when tightening, start from the inside and you work your way outside in a clockwise direction so that there's even pressure on the camshaft.
I'm gonna start with 45 for both and then work my way up. So starting from the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're done. So 45, 2, 9, 10, 10. So it's supposed to be able to move freely still after you've stopped it down. So it's moving freely. So no, now the oil pump is in. So the best way to fit these seals, you see, when you try to fit them without anything, it's hard to fit them. So the best way, just take a plastic bottle, just slice it into like half two, and then like twist it and place it inside like this, and then on top like this, and then like while you're pushing down, push this plastic down too, and then it's gonna fit right on top of it, and then yeah, and that's it. That's the best way. That's the best way. So after that, just make sure that it's on top. Don't have to make it, so I'm gonna use this. Or you can use the old one to push the new one down. Then just make sure it's even, so everything is even right now. So since you are done here, you can just slide in the crank pulley. You can just slide in the crank pulley. I'm just gonna heat this up. Heat it up for like maybe a minute or two, and then it's gonna slide on, but it's gonna slide in more easily than this. So let's heat this up first. So I'm gonna leave it to heat up a bit so that it expands. Fast. And it's in. Simple as that. And then just to make sure that it's seated fully. it's still hot. That's why it's still easy to move. So I'll leave that set for a bit and then we're gonna come back later on. So we are, see, this is where we're gonna leave everything. So one thing about me is I love marking my work so that when something happens, I will know if someone else has been here. You see? Everywhere, marking. I even do the oil pump meantime. And then they're done. This is where you're gonna leave at the moment. Because I was thinking of putting in the flywheel, which has hot marks. So I'm just gonna leave it here and I'm gonna continue tomorrow. So bye.